Hi everyone, I have received a package of 3 items from a company that's asked me to do a little sort of review on my YouTube channel of them. Now they aren't a colouring company, it's not an art item, but I felt it could be very useful to a colourist, which is why I picked these particular items. Now the company is called Wiskf, so it's W-I-S-K-F. There will be links in the description to all of the items, so I'll just show you. It's a very rustly, noisy bag, so bear with me. Sorry, it's really noisy. So I haven't opened the items, so I thought I would open them on camera and just show you them. So I picked things, as I said, that I thought would be useful for colourists. So this is actually a makeup bag, but I thought it looked just like a pencil case. Now they have lots and lots of different designs, so you can sort of pick something that you like. I say I'm not a pinky person, but everything I've picked is sort of pinky purpley. I rather like this one. It feels quite padded, which is interesting. It's got like a waterproofy inside. Well, it's not fully sort of showerproof, but it's padded, which I think would be quite useful for just keeping your pens and pencils a little bit protected if you were using them for carrying around or just storing them. I happen to have on my desk this pencil case, which I would quite like to change with one which is a bit prettier, so that would be rather good. It's got my gel pens and things in. So the next thing is this, which I think is a proper pencil case. Then there was a variety of designs. The one I originally liked, they said they were going to stop making, so I picked something different. This is sort of soft and squashy, so it's quite fun to play with. And we have a Velcro tab, and it's a sort of flap. Oh, let's have a look. So we've got a big section here which is actually unzipped and open already. Sorry, going out of shot. So we've got a zip coming across there. So that sort of section. I don't know why it was open, but there we go. And then this section opens out like that. So you've got a little section on the front as well, and then a little flap on the side. So just close those back up. There we go. And flap that one back over. And then this is a bag. Now I thought a bag might be quite useful for putting colouring books in. I think it's the right size. Sorry. Get rid of the noisy stuff. So yes. So there is the bag. It's got a mandala on, which I thought was really appropriate. Sorry, I can't zoom my camera out anymore. So I'll put a book on it, and you can see. Oh, Rooms of Wonder. Look at that. So a book will fit nicely in there. So I thought it would be really good either for storing your books in your house, which I sometimes keep books in bags, or for carrying out and about. And it's a nice printed pattern. There are lots of different patterns that you can pick from. It's got it on both sides, and this is quite a thickish fabric. You could obviously use it as a shopping bag as well if you wanted, rather than for your books. It's not really thick, so you could probably fold it up and sort of put it in your handbag or your purse if you're American. In the UK we call it handbag, you know, to carry around as a shopping bag. Look, it goes quite small and thin, so it's sort of up to you really. So we've got the bag and a little pencil case, and as I say, the makeup bag, I prefer this sort of pencil case rather than this one really, but I'm sure I'll find a use for both. So there are those bits and pieces which I said I would review, so and show you, and put the codes for the products in the description. Just oh, and look, it's got a little handle, could be useful carrying it around. Once it's full, it'll sort of be bulging out, so it'll be like a little bag. That's fun. And this bit, as I say, is quite soft, so might be nice for people who like to squish. It's all there. So yeah, there are codes for all the items in the description. You can have a look at them, but of course you might want to choose different designs. They have loads and they were really quite cheap. I can't remember, to be honest, how much, but and they didn't take that long to get here. I'm sure, I think they come from China, and I think it only took about a week, so that was quite quick. And I think these 3 products, was it? No, I really can't remember the prices. You'll have to go and have a look if you're interested. But particularly the bag, it is a bag shop. That's what they specialise in, the bags. So that does look rather good, I think. And it's always very hard to know how strong the products will be, but it feels like it's nice, sort of fairly thickish material. So I think it'd be okay. And it feels like cotton. It's not like it doesn't feel like polyester. I don't know if there's a tag in it. Bear with me. Nope. There's no tag, so I've got no idea. And this one feels more sort of polyestery, but that's okay. And as I say, it's got that sort of waterproofy inside. But again, there's no tag, but there is a layer of sort of spongy stuff in there, which keeps things protected. But of course, you could use it for makeup, for nail polishes, or you know, stickles, things like that. It gets lost inside because it's so big. Again, this one, but if you can, so there's a pen, just to give you an idea of the size really. So it's ideal for your pens and pencils. It's a Posca pen. These are a bit bigger, but it still all fits. So that's quite handy. But there we go. I don't know what else to say really. Yeah, go and check them out if you're interested. As I said, there are codes on the website, and they were very competitive prices. I'm not sure about postage, that's the only thing, which countries they post to, but it's all something that I can have a look at. I'll try and share it in the description actually. I'll make a note of that after, write down where they post to and sort of rough prices for you, so you've got an idea. But it doesn't take long to click and go and have a little look for yourself. But there are those products. So thank you to the company Wiskf. I don't know how to say it. Wiskf. For sending me out these products. They will be very handy. And yeah, but thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day. This is just a little bonus video, so there'll be something else for you as well today, so don't worry. But thank you for watching. Have a great day and happy colouring.